I am a big fan of ruler work quilting, as shown on this quilt sampler, kind of a quilt as you go. These blocks, there's 25 different blocks, all done with only 7 different rulers from Sew Steady. We'll put links below this YouTube video where you can hook up with the products and feet. But where on the Pfaff Creative icon do you access for doing ruler work? So many of my students who have done free motion quilting say they enjoy ruler work when free motion quilting is not their thing. So when you are on your machine, you're going to come down to where it says free motion, and you'll be selecting the last option, free motion ruler work, and in parentheses it says optional. So that is a foot that you can purchase from your local Pfaff retailer, or it is available from the sewsteady.com website, where all the rulers are also available, plus my favorite online course, the Westerly Design Quilt As You Go. That's the turquoise quilt I just showed you. They have over 65 ruler work classes in their Sew Steady University, and we are excited to be part of their curriculum. I've actually made the handouts available for that particular class that you'll also find in that area. So free motion ruler work, once selected, you'll be setting it up based on how the directions that come with the foot are. And really the only thing you actually do is adjust for how far down or pressure adjustment is needed here based on the thickness of batting that you're actually working on. Now, a couple other tips that I always like to include is make sure you use your straight stitch throat plate plus a top stitch needle. Those are 2 things that will make your ruler work successful. So if this is something that you've been wanting to try, your machine is already set up to help you become a ruler work expert. One last thing, if you do not have this option showing on your screen, you just need to do the latest update.